In this video, I will be telling you about the factors and multiples. So, as you can see, there are 15 rows and 15 columns. That means 15 square. Now, please see this. I hope that you all know the multiple of, or we can say you all know the table of 1, right? 1 ones are 1, 1 twos are 2, 3, 4, 5. सिमिलरली इस पूरे ग्राफ में हम लोग को जो मल्टीपल्स हैं वो कलर करना है, राइट? सो नाउ लेट्स कम टू द 1. So as you can see, 1 ones is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and so on. If you will see, you will notice कि 1 comes in every numbers table. That is why we have colored 1. Just look at this. We have colored 1. Now let's come to the 2 table. In the second table, please look. We all know the second table. It is 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Now in this similarly we have to color the 2 part. Now see, second को I have colored, the fourth block I have covered, the sixth box I have covered, 8, 10, 12 and 14. So जितने भी इस 15 by 15 में जो भी टेबल्स हैं बेसिकली हम उसको कवर कर रहे हैं. So let's see the third one. Now in the third one, children, the table is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. And now we will see the fourth one. Fourth one में fourth, 8, 12. Now the next is 16. But 16 is ग्राफ में नहीं है और 15 by 15 स्क्वायर में इट इज़ नॉट देयर, तो इट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल कि हम उसको कलर करें. लेट्स कम टू द फिफ्थ वन. द फिफ्थ टेबल इज़ 5, 10, 15. सो कलर 5, 10 and 15. Next is 20, but 20 is not there in this box, so we will not cover it up and we will not color. Similarly with the sixth. So sixth is 6 ones are 6 twos are 12. फिर 7 में 7 ones are 7 twos are 14. 8 ones are 8 twos are 16. But 16 is box में given नहीं है, so we cannot color that up. Now comes 9. So 9 ones are similarly, children, if you see this, I have colored now. After coloring, you will notice something. What thing you are going to notice? Please now look over here. See, if you carefully see, तो in the columns over here, we are doing the multiples. Multiples मतलब tables. ठीक है? 1 ones are, 1 twos are. These are the tables. Columns में tables are given. That means multiples are given. You can see this. Clear? Now if you carefully see this, you will get to know कि in the rows, आपकी rows में they are factors given. Now what are factors? I will be explaining you afterwards, little later. Now just see. Now factor of 1 is what? 1. Factor of 1 is 1. Now just see this. Factor of 2 is 1 and 2. You just see the rows and then you will get to know the answer. Let me explain it again to you. Please see this thing. Now let's see factor of 3. Factor of 3 क्या है? जो भी box covered है और we can say colored है, वो क्या है? Factors हैं. तो 3 का क्या फैक्टर होगा? 3 का फैक्टर है 1 and 3 ओनली. दैट्स इट. नेक्स्ट इज फोर्थ फैक्टर. What is the factor of fourth? Please see clearly in the graph. It is 1, 2 and 4th. 3 is not a factor because वो 3 की table like 4 की table में it's not coming. Now let us see the fifth factor. Fifth factor is only 1 and 5. Just see over here. It is 1 and 5 over here. ठीक है. Now next, just see this. Sixth के factor में we can see 1. Just see it very properly. You can see 1, then 2, then 3 is covered, and then 6. So what we can understand that 1, 2, 3 and 6 के factors हैं. Now let's see the seventh one. What are the factors of seventh one? Just check. The factors of seventh one is 1 and 7. Factor of 8 क्या है? 1, 2, 4, 8. Factor of 9 क्या है? 1, 3, 9. Similarly 10 का factor क्या है? 1, 2, 5 and 10. 12 का क्या फैक्टर क्या है? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 6 and this is 12. So basically in the rows, that means I'm talking about this, factors is given and columns में if you just see it like this, factors in the column multiples are given. So there is one more thing which I want to tell you is that if there are only 2 factors, अगर सिर्फ 2 factors हैं, that means that number is called a prime number. Now let's see this. So when I'm talking about factor, so in that case I am seeing the rows. ठीक है. Now see this, only 1 factor, 2 only 2 factors. So 2 has only 2 factors. मतलब 2 क्या है? It's a prime number. Talking about the 3. So 3 is also a prime factor as 3 के भी सिर्फ 2 factors हैं. कौन से factors हैं? One is 1 and the second one is the third one. Now let's see the other things. अब 4 के कितने factors हैं? 3 factors हैं. 1, 2 and 4. That means 4 prime number है कि नहीं है? Obviously 4 is not a prime number. Let's see your 5. So 5 क्या है? It's a prime number. Why? Because 5 has how many factors? 2 factors. Similarly with 6 has more than 2 factors. We will not include. 7 has only 2 factors. क्या factors है? 1 and 7. Talking about 8 is not a prime number. 9 भी प्राइम नंबर नहीं है बिकॉज उसके कितने फैक्टर्स हैं? 1, 2 and 3. Similarly 10 also, but 11 is a prime number because 11 के कितने फैक्टर्स हैं? सिर्फ 2 फैक्टर्स हैं. Similarly 13 is also a prime number. Whenever we are talking about the prime number, तो प्राइम नंबर के कितने फैक्टर्स होते हैं? सिर्फ और सिर्फ 2 फैक्टर्स होते हैं. So 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 are the prime numbers. Now children, never ever get confused between the prime number and an odd number. Why so? Please see this. What a odd number? Odd number if your ones place is or the last digit is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. तो ये क्या होते हैं? ये होते हैं हमारे odd numbers. whenever we talk about the prime numbers, तो prime numbers में हमेशा you remember it like this, that there are only two factors. How many factor? There are only two factors. I hope that you have understood.